So I thought I'd do this review on this Klarus WL1 torch I bought on Amazon. This is a work light and it's just ideal for working on cars. You've got a lot of adjustment. You can also adjust it that way as well. So no matter where you put this within an engine bay or under the dashboard of a car or wherever you're working, you can get that light pointing exactly where you want it to. It's got a magnetic base as well. You've also got a hook, so you can hook it up if you want. Most of the time I'm using the magnetic base, and it's pretty light. It's rechargeable via a USB connector up there, and it lasts a long time. The website says it's 35 hours. I've never tested that, but in reality I'm only charging this about once every week or two. You have your battery display there, so you can see when it's getting low. You've got an on and off switch here, and you can cycle through different levels of brightness on that light. It's also got a red light, which is pretty useless. The only thing that's a bit annoying is you have to cycle through them sometimes. And you've also got a light at the end. So if you want to focus a beam of light into somewhere particular, you can use that one, or you can push it down for 2 seconds and switch back to the normal work light. And it's very bright as well, and most of the time I run it in one of the dimmer modes. And when you're working on a vehicle, you can get this in tight spaces, and the magnetic base holds it, and you can get that light exactly where you want it. This torch is just under £26 on Amazon. I will put the link in the video description below. And to be honest, you can buy cheaper torches, but as you can see, this is well used. It's a quality bit of kit, and as always in life, you get what you pay for.